All right, guys. What I told on morning around 9:25, and I told that I was looking for buy bank Nifty and in a specific level. So my main view was in buying. So let me explain where was the buying point. All right. So who people do join my Telegram channel, you just join here. So every day I'm giving update which direction we are going to take position and where is our entry point exactly. So let me explain here. Okay, just a minute. The bank Nifty here I can see, as I said, we are looking for buy. So where is my buying point and why I bought somewhere there? All right. So first, what we have seen, price open a gap down. So somewhere here, price open a gap down. This one mean line and this one 0.5 standard deviation. So you just join my Telegram channel, you will get the standard deviation formula. You just put the data only and automatically they are calculating our entry point. All right, so this one mean line and this one 0.5 standard deviation upper side and this one 0.5 standard deviation lower side here and here. So first we got an opportunity for the short, but I was not interested. So why? Because I told that in the morning I'm looking for buy only. All right. So first they form a bullish candle. So we are looking for buy after giving a pullback. So entire candle given a pullback. So there was no buy opportunity in the next candle. So another candle from a bearish candle. So we are not interested in the selling direction. So third candle or not, you can say fourth candle, they form a bullish candle. So why we are not interested to take buy position? Because this bull candle just below this mean line. All right. That is why we are not interested to take any position. Another candle from bearish candle, again from a bullish candle, again from a bullish candle, we are not interested because it's very closer near this mean line. So that is why we are not interested to take any position. So later, bear candle and a bear candle and a bear candle. Now finally from a bull candle, exactly near 0.5 standard deviation line. So once they form a bull candle, we start buying the next bull candle. So where is the next? Price open somewhere there, and after breaking this higher point, so in that case we use breakout hedging strategy. So our target are exactly near mean line. All right. So later price drop again, broke this level and again pull back, and exactly we enter somewhere there and we booked somewhere here profit. So let me explain why we enter in that point. So first, here I can see after giving a big rally in a downside, so finally in a small time frame, this one 1 minute chart and this one 15-minute chart, M15. 15-minute chart, we need a bullish candle or bearish candle to enter. That is a confirmation candle. And in a 1 minute chart, we need some pattern. That is a short pattern. Who people doesn't know, my website link already given in this description. You just go through there and read the chart pattern. So what pattern we have seen in this area means here. So here I can see price given a rally, pullback, goes up a little bit, pullback, goes up a little bit, pullback, and finally broke. So what pattern they are forming? This is called inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So once they form this area, so next the buy trigger somewhere in this area, exactly here, and exactly in this candle. So first candle bullish and the next candle. Before taking this rally, we enter somewhere here after forming this bullish candle and exactly in this area. So finally we booked somewhere here. So next entry point, let me show you here. Price hit that level and again consolidating, and finally price broke this area, and after that price given a pullback, goes up a little bit, pullback, goes up a little bit, and finally broke this trend line, and exactly we enter here and the price goes up and booked our profit somewhere there. So why we enter here? So let me show you. So let me zoom a little bit here. Okay, so now what pattern we have seen in a large time frame? So here you can see there's a left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder, that is the neckline, the broke, price pull back and it triggered our buy order after giving a correction. So pull back, goes up, pull back, and exactly we enter, but we exit my position somewhere there. Why? Because when they approaching this level, what level? 0.5 standard deviation line. So here you can see no like pattern are forming. So no consolidation, no like rejection, nothing are there. So once form this bear candle, so let me zoom a little bit here. Okay. So once they form this bear candle, where I enter here, so I shifted my SL somewhere there. So finally price goes up and no bear candle are forming and it goes up. So I shifted, and when they're forming this candle exactly momentum, so I was expecting the pullback. It will give a pullback, but the price goes a little bit up, but I exit somewhere there. That was my exit point. Okay, let me explain for the tomorrow what exactly going to do. So in a which direction we are going to take position, and let me show you this one daily time frame, and let me use my market trend. So according to my market trend, I just clear uptrend and given a little bit pullback. Now this 20 moving average act as a support. So that is why I'm just looking for buy. So tomorrow my view is buying. So I'm just waiting for the buy. Now where is my entry point will be there? If price open a gap up, I'll wait for a pullback, or if price open a gap down, so I just waiting for buy after getting a confirmation near standard deviation line. All right. So suppose price open a gap up somewhere here, and standard deviation will be a little bit below, and I will wait for confirmation. That will be like a 1 minute chart or 15-minute candle. All right. So after forming a bullish candle, so I'll use breakout or pullback trading strategy. So that will be my entry point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.